good. Yeah. Under the pits. Okay, over here. There we go. There we go. This is going to be a lot easier when you can hold your own head up.
That's bathing 201.
Okay, now we're going to dump some water on your head. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Oh, do you like it? Oh, yes. Close your eyes. Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah. Whoop. You okay? Too much? Too much? You alright? You're very cute. Let me get that stuff. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take you out.